In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import JSON file in n8n. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring an existing workflow into your n8n workspace using a JSON file, and you'll understand a few practical tips to make the process smooth from start to finish. First, make sure you have the JSON file you want to import saved on your computer. This file is typically an export of an n8n workflow or a template you've downloaded. It should have a JSON extension and contain valid JSON. Keep in mind that workflow files generally don't include your private credentials, so after import you may need to reconnect any nodes that require auth. That's normal and helps keep your data secure. Open your browser and go to n8n.io, then sign in to your workspace so you can access the editor. Once you're in the editor view, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll find a menu icon with 3 dots, sometimes called the kebab menu. Click that to open the list of actions available for your workspace. From that menu, choose Import from File. This tells n8n you want to bring in a workflow from your computer rather than starting from scratch. Your operating system's file picker will pop up right away. Navigate to the folder where your JSON file is stored, select the correct file, and click Open. Give it a moment to load. n8n will parse the JSON and place the workflow onto the canvas. You should see the nodes, their connections, and any settings captured in the file appear in the editor. If the workflow had a name saved, you'll see that as well. If you get a warning about missing or invalid credentials, don't worry. That simply means you'll need to reassign credentials in the relevant nodes before running the workflow. Also, if nothing appears after import, double check that the file really is a valid n8n workflow JSON and that it hasn't been altered. A quick way to verify is to open the file in a text editor and ensure it's valid JSON and not empty. A couple of final tips. Importing a workflow does not run it, so it's safe to import and review before doing anything else. If you're sharing workflows across different n8n versions, small differences can appear. Review node parameters and test on sample data first. And if your workspace uses specific environment variables or custom credentials, plan to map those back in after the import. That's all there is to it. You've successfully imported a JSON file into n8n and are ready to review, configure credentials, and begin testing.